Look at the pictures and write the names using jumbled letters. Bib, kid, fig, sim, pin, zip, kit. C. Read the words given in the star and write 2 more rhyming words. Big, pig, dig. Dip, tip, lip.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.